Good evening, dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well. So today we are starting exercise 4.1, which is the first exercise of your fraction chapter. Yesterday we have done the basic of our fractions. So in exercise 4.1, first question, which is a question: are the following pairs of fractions equivalent? So here you need to find these fractions are equivalent or not equivalent. So how you will find these? So first of all, you will see here that you have given two fractions which are 2 upon 5 and 34 upon 85, and you need to find that are these equivalent or not equivalent. So what is the trick of finding the equivalent? So I have told you in a class that how you will find the equivalent. Here I will also tell you once again. So first of all, see you can see here 2 upon 5. So you will check that can 34 will come in a table of 34. So we can say that if you multiply 2 by 17, you can get 34. Okay, and in denominator you can also see that 5, if you will multiply 5 by 17, you will get 85. So it means that when you are multiplying 2 upon 5 with 17 in both numerator or denominator, you are getting 34 upon 85. So it means that it is a equivalent fraction. Okay, so we can say that these pairs of fractions are equivalent fraction. Okay, you can check any fraction in this way. If you are given a 2 fraction, what will you do? You will multiply same number in numerator or denominator. If you will get the other pair of a fraction, then it means that the second pair is a equivalent of a second fraction is a equivalent of a first fraction. I hope that you have understood it. So in answer you will write here yes, they are equivalent fraction. Okay, and the reason I have given you, this is the reason of this. So we will now move on to next question. We will erase it first. Now second question, check if 7 upon 11 and 56 upon 99 are equivalent. So here you will apply same procedure. First of all, what will you check? You will check will 56 come in a table of a 7. So see here, in this way, when you multiply 7 by 8, you will get 56. But when you will multiply 11 by 8, you will get 88. Yes, I am right, you will get 88, but here given number is 99. So it means that this is not a equivalent fraction. Okay, so in this way you can check this. When you multiply numerator and denominator with 7 upon 11, if you are getting the same fraction, which is a second fraction, so it means these are equivalent fractions. But if you are not getting the same, so it means that they are not equivalent fractions. And here we are getting 56 upon 88, so it means that 7 upon 11 is not equivalent to 56 upon 99. So what will you say? So our answer will be they are not equivalent fractions. Okay, so now move on to next questions. I have completed this question, these two question in class also. This is for a revision only. Now second question is a B part of a exercise 4.1. Write the following fraction in their simplest form. Now you are given a fraction 16 upon 14. So you need to write it in a simplest form. So first of all, you need to know what is a simplest form. Simplest form is a form when you will get any number which cannot be divided further. So here, if I will give you one fraction which is 1 upon 2, so you cannot cut 1 upon 2 further. Okay, so it is a simplest form. It is a simplest form of a fraction. But here what you have given, you are given, you have here in question we given number is 16 upon 14. So we will divide 16 upon 14. So here you can see that we can cut both the numbers, numerator or denominator, by 2. 2 7 is 14 and 2 8 is 16. Now you got 8 upon 7. 8 upon 7 cannot be cut further. Okay, because these are it is a even number and it is a odd number. Okay, these are the number which cannot be divided further. So it is a simplest form of a 16 upon 14. So we can say that 8 upon 7 is a simplest form of a 16 upon 14, or it can also be written in a mixed fraction. In a mixed fraction you can write 8 upon 7 as 1 into 1 upon 7. So we will erase it first. So I hope that this question has clear. Now second question is 15 upon 25. So in 15 upon 25 you will you can see that both the numbers in numerator or denominator you can cut both by 5. Okay, so how you will cut it? 15 upon 25 you can cut by 5. First of all we will write, okay, I am directly cutting it here. You can do 5 3 is 15 and 5 5 is 25. So you will get 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 here will be a simplest form. Okay, now move on to next question again. 13 upon 18. So what will you think about 13 upon 18? So first of all, by seeing this fraction you can say that 13 upon 18, they are the numbers which are not coming in any common table. In any common table, these are, one is here, 13 is odd number and 18 is even number, and these are not coming in any one table, any single common table. So we can say here it is already in a simplest form, and you can write here for analyzing. You can say that here, analyze the number 13 is a prime number. Here 13 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 13, and since 18 is not divisible by 13, they share no common factor other than 1. You can write this definition here also. Also you can write these are already in a simplest form, because 13 is odd number and 18 is even number, so they cannot be cut further. So this is a simplest form. So now move on to next question. I will also share you this PDF. Those who have not completed this work in a class, those students can take help from this PDF. Now next question is 36 upon 48. So 36 upon 48 uh, 36 upon 48 can be cutted by 6. Okay, both the numbers are coming in a table of a 6. Also these two numbers are coming in a table of a 12. So 6 also and 2 also. So you can take any one of the number according to your ease. You need to learn you need to learn table for solving these question. If tables are perfect, so you can do this type of a question very easily. So here what will we do? We will divide 36 by 12. I am writing it here, 36 upon 48. You can see that 12 3 is 36 and 12 4 is 48. So our answer here will be 3 upon 4. Now 3 upon 4 is a form which cannot be cutted further. So we can say that 3 upon 4 is a simplest form. Okay, so simplest form of a 36 upon 48 will be 3 upon 4. Okay, you can do some questions from this sheet also. I will share you in a group. Now next question is 210 upon 350. So some of students were having problem solving this question, so I will help you. 210 upon 350. In this type of a question, first of all we can easily cancel 0 by 0 here. Okay, now when we have cancelled 0 by 0. Now the remaining numbers are 21 upon 35. So 21 upon 35 we can easily analyze that these two numbers are coming in a table of a 7. So we can cut it by 7. 7 3 is 21 and 7 5 is 35. So we are getting here what? We are getting 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 will be our simplest form here. Okay, so the simplest form of a 210 upon 350 will be 3 upon 5. Here 3 is your numerator and 5 is your denominator. Okay, thank you very much. We have completed exercise 4.1. Get ready for next part of it, which is a question C. Fill in the boxes. I am getting ready for it. You will also be ready for that. Okay, thank you very much.